Hello viewers, welcome to Code Breaking channel. Today our topic is Introduction to C language. C is a programming language developed at AT&T Bell Laboratory of USA in 1972. It was designed by Dennis Ritchie. The main feature of C programming language includes low-level access to the memory, a simple set of keywords, and clean style. These features make C language suitable for system programming like an operating system or compiler development. Features of C language. This is a robust language with rich set of built-in functions and operators that can be used to write any complex programs. The C compiler combines the capability of any assembly languages and features of any high-level languages. Programs written in C languages are efficient and fast. This is due to its variety of data type and powerful operators. It is many types of faster than BASIC. C is highly portable. This means that programs once written can be run on another machine with little or no modifications. Next topic is keywords. There are certain words reserved for doing specific tasks. These words are known as reserved words or keywords. These words are predefined and always written in lowercase or smaller letters. These keywords cannot be used as variables names as it assigned with fixed meaning. Some of the examples are int, short, signed, assigned, default, volatile, float, long, double, and so on, etc. Next, identifiers. Identifiers are user-defined words used to name of entity like variable, arrays, functions, structures, etc. Some rules of identifiers. One is name should only consist of alphabets, that is both upper and lower case digits, and underscore, and first characters should be alphabet or underscore, and name should not be a keyword. And since C is a case sensitive, the upper and lower case considered differently. For example, code or different identifiers, which we have given an example. And next topic is data types. It refers to extensive system used for declaring variable as a function of different types before its use. The types of variables determines how much space it occupies to store and how the bit pattern stored in interpreted. The value of a variable can be changed any time. C has the following four types of data types: basic, built-in data type, int, float. Next topic, constants. Constant is any value that cannot be changed during program execution. In C, any number, single character or character string is known as constant. Variables. Variables is a data name which is used to store some data value or symbolic names for storing the program. The rule for naming the variable is the same naming identifiers. Before using the program, it must be declared. Declaration of variables specifies names, data types, and range of the values that variables are stored depends upon the data types. Next topic is variable initialization. When we assign any initial value to variable during the declaration is called initialization of variable. When variable is declared but contain undefined value, then it is called garbage value. The value is initialized with the assignment. Expression. An expression is a combination of variable, constant, operators and function calls. It can be arithmetic, logical and relational, for example, as given. So as for programming language concerned, these are the two types, low level and high level languages. In mission level language, computer only can understand digital numbers, that is in the form of zeros and ones. Instruction gives to the computer in the form of binary digits, which is difficult to implement the instruction in binary code. This type of the program is not portable. Difficult. High level language. High level language are mission independent, that means it is portable. The language in this category is Pascal, COBOL, Fortran, etc. High level language are understood by the mission, so it need to translate by the translator into the mission level. A translator is a software which is used to translate high level language as well as low level language into the mission level language. Compiler and interpreter. Compiler and interpreter are used to convert the high-level language into the machine-level language. The program written in high-level language is known as source. Program the corresponding machine-level language is called as object program. Both compiler and interpreter perform the same task, but their work is different. Compiler reads a program at a time and searches the error and list. If the program is error-free, then it is converted into the object program. When program is a large, then compiler is preferred, where the interpreter reads only one line of the source code and convert into the object. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any queries, please pick on comment box. Do like and share and subscribe my channel.